Hello everyone, we are from Basareddy BA and BCom College, Samkenagar, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling business statistics subject for BCom third sem students. Last class we have discussed problems based on continuous frequency distribution, that is nothing but when the class interval and the frequency is given, how to calculate the x value based on sums we have already solved in last class. Okay, in this class I am solving the problems based on properties of arithmetic mean or combined arithmetic mean. Okay, let us solve the problem. Okay, first one is properties of arithmetic mean. N1 x bar 1 plus N2 x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. Okay, this is the formula for combined arithmetic mean. Very important sum, your examination point of view, section B, 5 marks. Okay, in 2018 section B 5 marks alli kottidru. Okay, let us solve the problem. First problem, the arithmetic mean marks of 20 values is 72 and another set of 30 values is 75. Find out combined arithmetic mean. Okay, first we have to write down what they have given as given. Okay, first one is 20 and one is 20. The mean marks nothing but x bar 1 is 72 and 1 is 20, x bar 1 is 72. The another set n2 is 30, x bar 2 is 75. This is given in the problem. Okay, let us solve the problem. X bar is equal to L1 into x bar 1 plus N2 into x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. This is the formula for combined arithmetic mean. Combined arithmetic mean. First one is N1. How much? 20 into 72 plus 30 into 75. 30 into 75 divided by N1 plus N2. 20 plus 30. 20 plus 30. Okay. 20 into 72 plus 30 into 75 divided by N1 plus N2. 20 plus 30. Multiply these two. 1440 plus multiply 20 into 72, 1440. Next, multiply these two. 30 into 75, 2250. 2250. Add these two, 50. Okay. 1440 plus 2250. 1440 plus 2250. Add these two. How much? 0. 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, divided by 50. 3690 divided by 50. 3690 divided by 50. How much? 73.8. 73.8. 0, 0 get cancel. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. Okay. 5 sevens are 315 plus 35. 1 ಉಳಿತದೆ 5 is 15, 15 4 ಉಳಿತದೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರಿ 8, 5 is 40, 73.8. I hope you understood the simple problem based on combined arithmetic mean when 2n and 2x bar is given. N1 plus N2, x bar 1 plus x bar 2. Formula is N1 into x bar 1, N2 into x bar 2 divided by N1 plus N2. 20 into 72 plus 30 into 75 divided by 20 plus 30. Multiply these two. 1440. Multiply these two. 2250. Add these two. 50. Multiply. Add these two. 3690 divided by 50. 73.8 is called as x bar or combined mean. Okay. Let us solve another sum based on combined arithmetic mean of the another problem. Second one, the mean of marks scored by 30 girls of a class is 42. 30 girls ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 44. Nothing but n1 as given n1 is 30, x bar 1 is 44. Number of students 30, scored is 44. Next, the mean for 50 boys is 42. N2 is 50, x bar 2 is 42. N2 is 50, x bar 2 is 42. Find out the mean for the whole class. Whole class is the mean and nothing but combined mean. Okay, this is given in the problem. Let us solve the problem. So combined mean x bar is equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. n1 into x bar 1 plus n2 into x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. n1 is 30 into x bar 1 is 44 plus n2 is 50 into 42 divided by 30 plus 50 divided by 30 plus 50. n1 is 30, x bar 1 is 44. Multiply these two plus 50 plus 50 into 42. Multiply these two divided by 30, n1 plus n2. 30 plus 50. 30 into 44. How much? 1320. 1320. 50 into 42. How much? 2100. 2100. 1320 plus 2100 divided by 80. Divided by 80. Add these two. 1320 plus 2100. 3420 divided by 80. 3420 divided by 80. Okay. Divided by 80. How much? 42.75. 42.75. So in this problem they have given two set. One is girl, second one is boy. 30 girls scored 44. n1 is 30, x bar 1 is 44. n2 is 50, x bar 2 is 42. Multiply these two. 30 into 40, 1320. 50 into 42, 2100 divided by 50 plus 30 is 80. Add these two, we will get 3420 divided by 80 is 42.75. 42.75. The problem. Problem number 3. The mean yearly salary of a company was 20,000. Number of employees 20. So as given, and one number of employees 20, x bar 1 is 20,000. Okay, next, and another company, the salary of 80 employees was 20,800. Find out combined mean. Number of employees n2 is 80. n2 is 80, x bar 2 is 20,800. 20,800. This is given in the problem. Okay, let us solve the problem. X bar 1, x bar is equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. n1 is 20. 20 into 20,000 plus 80 into 20,800 divided by 20 plus 80. 20 into 20,000 plus 80 into 20,800 divided by 20 plus 80. 20 into 20,000. How much? 4 lakhs. 4 lakh. Okay, plus 20 into 20,800. 16,000, 64,000. 16 lakh, 64,000. This is 4 lakh. Add these to 100. Okay, 80 into 20,800, 16 lakh, 64,000. 20 into 20,000, 4 lakh. Add these two. How much? 20 lakh, 64,000. 20 lakh, 64,000 divided by 100. 20,640. 20,640. 20 into 20,000, 4 lakh. 20 into 20,800, 16 lakh, 64,000. 20 plus 80, 100. 4 lakh plus 16 lakh, 64,000. 20,600 divided by 100. 20,640 is a combined mean. 20,640 is a combined mean. Okay, let us solve the problems. Those are given in the question papers. Missing frequencies. When the one value is missing, how to calculate the frequency? Calculate missing frequency for the following data when the arithmetic mean is 7.3. Okay, this problem is given in 2015 question paper, 15 marks. Okay, first one is they have given x values and the second one is f values. 5, 6, 7, 8 and the last one is 9. F values 4, 6, 12 and fourth one is not given, F, and the last one is 8. Add all these. 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. How much? 30 plus F. 30 plus F. 7, 8, 9 and F value is 4, 6, 12. F is missing 8. Add all these 30 plus F. Okay, let us solve the problem. How to calculate F value? Okay, let us solve the problem. Calculation of missing frequency. Calculation of missing frequency. Okay, 3 columns. First one is x, second one is f, and the last one is f into x. X, f, f into x. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, they are already given. Next, 4, 6, 12, f, 8. Add these 30 plus f. Okay, multiply first column and second column. 20, so x into f. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Okay, next 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Next 7 into 12. 84. 8 into f, nothing but 8f. 8 into f, nothing but 8f. Okay. 9 into 8. 9 into 8. 72. 72. Add 20 plus 36 plus 84 plus 8f plus 72. 212 plus 8f. It is called summation fx. It is called summation fx. 20 plus 60 plus 84 plus 72. 1, 2, 3, 4 total is 212 and 8f again 8f. Let us solve the problem by using formula. X bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. Summation fx divided by n. Mean is already given 7.3. Okay. Summation fx how much? 212 plus 8f divided by n is 30 plus f. Okay. Already given 212 plus f 8f. Now calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. f ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ 30 ಪ್ಲಸ್ f ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ x ಬಾರ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ 7.3 into 30 plus f is equal to 212 plus 8f. 212 plus 8f. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 into 212 plus 8f. 7.3 into 30 plus f ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ನ ಇಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. 7.3 plus into 30. 7.3 into 30 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 290.0 plus multiply these two. 7.3 into f, it is called as 7.3f. It is 7.3f. Here it is as it is. f. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರೆ a plus b into c ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a b ಇಲ್ಲಿ c ಇದ್ರೆ a into c ac, c into b bc ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. 7.3 into 30 ಮಾಡಿ 219.0 ಮತ್ತೆ 7.3 into f ಮಾಡಿ 7.3 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ f ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅನದರ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 219 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 212 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 212 is equal to 8f ಗೆ 8f ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 7.3f. ಓಕೆ, 219 ಮೈನಸ್ 212 7 ಮೈನಸ್ 0 8 ಮೈನಸ್ 7.3. 8 ಮೈನಸ್ 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಂತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ಹಚ್ಕೋಬೋದು. 8.0f 0 ಒಳಗಡೆ 7 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, 10 ಒಳಗಡೆ 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 7, 8 minus 8 is 0, 0.7f. 0.7f. Okay, 7 into ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 0.7 is equal to f. 0.7 7 divided by 0.7, ಈ 0 ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 7 1s 7 10s 10 is equal to f. 10 is equal to f. The missing frequency is 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆದಾಗ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸೀಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹೌದಾ, f ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ fx. 5 into 4 20, 6 into 6 36, 7 into 12 84, 8 into f 8f, 9 into 8 72. Add these 30 plus f, add these 212 plus 8. Formula x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. 7.3 is equal to 212 plus 8f divided by 30 plus f. Cross verification. 7.3 into 30 plus f is equal to 212 plus 8f. 7.3 into 20 219.0. 7.3 into f 7.3f. 212 as it is we have to write. So 290 212 ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್. 290 minus 212 how much? 7 plus 7.3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ -7.3. 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7.3 ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 0.7. 7 ಇಂಟು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0. 7 ones are 7 tens are. F, the missing frequency is 10. It is given in 2015 question paper for 15 marks. Okay, A and B and 3 sections ಇರ್ತವೆ. This problem is given in A. Another problem ನಿಮಗೆ another mean median ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, I hope you understood the problem. When the missing frequency is given in the problem, how to calculate the missing frequency. Let us solve the another problem. Calculate arithmetic mean. They have given 2 columns. First one is class interval, second one is F. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 5, 8, 25, 16, 6. Total 60. It is called N. Big N. Okay. Let us solve the problem. Calculation of arithmetic mean. 4 columns. First one is Ci, second one is F, third one is X, last one is Fx. Ci, F, X, Fx. Okay. Ci 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. 5, 8, 25, 16, 6. Total 60. Okay. How to calculate X? Lower class plus upper class divided by 2. 0 plus 10, 10. 10 divided by 2, 5. 20 plus 10 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, 15. 20 plus 30, 50 divided by 2, 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2, 70 divided by 2, 35. 40 plus 50 divided by 2, 90 divided by 2, 45. 90 divided by 2, 45. Multiply these two, we will get Fx. Okay, F into X. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 8 into 15. 15 into 8. 15 5s are 120. 25 into 25. 625. 25 into 25. 625. 16 into 35. 560. 16 into 35, 560. 6 into 45, 270. 270. Okay. 5 into 5, 25. 8 into 15, 120. 25 into 25, 625. 16 into 35, 560. 6 into 45, 270. And 25 plus 120 plus 625 plus 560 plus 270. 1600. 1600. So X bar is equal to summation Fx divided by N. Summation Fx 1600 divided by 60. 0, 0 get cancelled. 26.67 is the mean. How much? 26.67. In this problem, class intervals matte F they have given. They have to calculate X is nothing but midpoint or mid value. Okay. F into X, multiply second column and the third column, we will get fourth column. Multiply these two, add Fx 1600, 5, 8, 25, 16, 6, 60. 1600 divided by 60, 26.67. I hope you understood the problem based on arithmetic